Setting up GoTo Resolve for your company is easier than you might think, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in minutes. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only have GoTo Resolve set up, but I'll also introduce a few alternatives that could work even better for your business needs. First off, when you sign up for GoTo Resolve, you'll be taken through a simple setup process. The first step is creating an account. You'll be asked for basic info, like your company name and contact details. After entering that, you'll be able to access your dashboard, which is the control center for everything you'll manage. You can customize your account settings later, but for now, just focus on getting in. Next, let's talk about connecting devices. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to start adding devices you'll be managing or supporting. GoTo Resolve allows you to do this in bulk, which is a huge time saver if you're managing a large team. Whether it's desktop computers or mobile devices, you can easily pair them through the Setup wizard. You simply install the GoTo Resolve agent on each device, and it's automatically recognized in your dashboard. The third thing is setting up your support channels. GoTo Resolve allows you to create different support options, like live chat, remote access, or even a ticketing system. You can prioritize which support type your team or clients use most. Plus, you'll be able to track the success of each communication channel, so you know what's working and what needs improvement. Keep in mind, some users report that the ticketing system can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're not familiar with service desk tools. But once you get used to it, it's a solid feature. Now, let's move on to creating user roles and permissions. This is essential if you have a team that needs to access different parts of the platform. You can set up different levels of access depending on their role in your company. This means only the right people will have access to sensitive data. You can customize permissions for administrators, technicians, and customers, ensuring that your team works securely and efficiently. The fifth thing you'll want to do is integrate your existing software tools. GoTo Resolve allows you to connect with various apps, including popular CRMs, project management tools, and more. The integrations are straightforward, but keep in mind that some of them require higher tier plans. So, depending on your needs, you might find yourself looking at alternative tools if GoTo Resolve's integrations don't meet all your requirements. Now, let's talk about something you might not have expected: GoTo Resolve's remote support features. You can remotely access devices and solve problems without needing to be physically present. This can be a lifesaver, especially in a hybrid work environment. It's fast and secure, but some users say the remote session experience could be smoother, especially when working with clients who aren't tech-savvy. One last thing before we get into the alternatives, let's talk about GoTo Resolve's pricing. It offers a free trial, but keep in mind that their paid plans can get expensive, especially if you need more advanced features like integrations or bulk licensing. You might find that it doesn't offer as much value compared to other tools at similar price points. Now, here's the catch. While GoTo Resolve is a solid solution, there are a few alternatives that might work even better for your company's goals, especially if you're looking for more flexibility or affordability. I'll give you access to an exclusive extended free trial for GoTo Resolve through our link, but I've also found some amazing alternatives that could be a better fit for you. These tools also come with free trials and unique features that GoTo Resolve doesn't have. So, if you want to save time and money while getting the best free trial and exclusive benefits, click the link in the description and get started today.